Hi guys, most welcome to my YouTube channels. In this video, I'm going to tell you English grammar is important for learning language. Yes or no? Lots of students have a doubt that person who is start to learn English language. Mostly they confuse who is a beginner in English language. In this video, I'm going to clear your doubt. English grammar is important. Yes or no? You see on my blackboard, I have drawn one picture. Okay, by this drawing I will tell you English grammar is important, yes or no. You see on my blackboard one mountain. Okay, this is a mountain. In this mountain, two persons are going to top of the mountain. One person you see and other person. Okay, this person go to top of the mountain by the help of a stair. Okay, a stair, and other person who is going to top of the mountain without the stair, who is reach the top of the mountain in short period of time, and that journey is very beautiful. Obviously, this person reach the top of the mountain in short period of time, and that journey is very beautiful because they are going to top of the mountain help of a stair. Okay, and other person who is going to top of the mountain without the stair, without the road, it's take more time to reach the top of the mountain. Both person will reach the top of the mountain, but this person reach first, and after this person reach top of the mountain. Same things I am going to apply on English language. When you are going to learn this language, help of English grammar, you will learn this language in short period of time, and that journey is very beautiful. You will not face more problem while speaking because you have lots of idea how to make a sentence. Okay, when you are going to learn this language without the help of English grammar, you will also learn this language, but it's take more times and you will face more problem while speaking because you have no any idea how to make a sentence. You will learn this language by the listening. Okay, now you will understand English grammar is important for learning language. Yes or no? You will learn this language without the English grammar, but it's take a more times. Thank you so much for watching my video. Subscribe this channels.